Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. If at all you are a subscriber of IndianMoney.com's any of our YouTube channel, be it Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, English, Kannada, then you must be aware about the fact that we have an in-house mobile application called the Financial Freedom app. Now this one app will help you understand about personal finance, career building, farming, business and also about life skills. We have this particular app in Android and iOS, both the platforms, and it has been very well received so far. It has very good ratings and we have experts from different backgrounds, different types of professions who come there and give you their expertise. They try and help you understand how you can also get into these particular sectors and how you can also become a better version of yourself. We have this particular application available across different platforms, but the only problem or the only challenge over here was that if at all you want to get the access of the mobile application, you would have to pay a subscription fee. Many times for students especially, it's difficult to pay that particular kind of an amount. So that's the reason why we have understood the fact that let's give a chance for young India, for our youngsters, for our youth also to get the access of this application. And also you can actually have a look at what are the things that are there inside the application, which will definitely encourage you to take up a better subscription so that you can get complete access to all the courses that are there in this particular mobile application. So in this video, I'll try and help you understand how you can also get the access of Financial Freedom app by paying just a very nominal amount of rupees 99. Yes, you heard me right. At the cost of paying just 99 rupees, you'll get complete access of the Financial Freedom app, and I'll tell you how you can actually do it. So if you notice on the screen right now, I'll show you how I am actually going through the application. So I am just switching on the Financial Freedom app in my phone, and as we can see, Financial Freedom app, it's India's only financial and livelihood education application powered by IndianMoney.com. So once the app opens, this is something that app actually looks like. We have a course on honeybee farming, we have a course on SME and digital marketing, we have a digital marketing separate course, we have a pickle business course, we have several courses for different backgrounds and different kinds of options. So basically, if at all you go through this particular option, we have courses on life skill, we have courses on personal finance, we have courses on farming, we also have courses on business. So now let's go back to the option where we can actually check out the subscription fees and charges. So I am clicking the top left option, which is right next to the profile. So if you click over here, you will be able to see that there is an upgrade option. So if you click on the upgrade option, which is right here, so you'll be able to go through the packages that are available in our mobile application. So right now, the first thing that you'll be able to see is that we have this particular option of paying just rupees 99. Actual price of this particular option is almost 500 rupees, but today we are giving you this particular option at just rupees 99, which is basically be a 2-day access, a 48-hour access, which will cost you around 50 rupees or less than 50 rupees. In fact, for the complete 2 days, you'll be able to access completely personal finance, career building and business and farming courses. Along with this, there is another option which is right over here, which is at the cost of rupees 499, you'll be able to get the access of 15 days, which is basically going to charge you around 33 rupees per day, less than the cost of one plate idli. So here also you'll be able to get the complete access of the first personal finance, career building, farming and business course. Now, there are various other courses options that are available. There is a 3-month course which will basically give you the access of the entire application by just paying rupees 1,999. The actual price is almost 5,000 rupees, but it will cost you much more lesser. And also there is an option of getting complete access to Financial Freedom Club. Along with that, you'll also be invited for the IndianMoney.com's digital or live events. And you'll also get a dedicated Financial Freedom coach, which will basically help you about all your queries and concerns about personal finance, or probably if at all you have doubts about maybe investments or taxation, etc. So he'll help you out with that particular thing. Now, the best particular option that we have available over here is going to charge you or is going to cost you as low as 14 rupees per day. Yes, it's a 1-year access, 12-month complete access, which will basically, the actual price of this is almost 15,000 rupees, but it will cost you less than 5,000 rupees, which is 4,999. Now, what are the things that you're getting over here if you take up this particular option? Number one is that you will get complete access to Financial Freedom courses. Along with that, you also get comprehensive financial planning by our courses. You'll also get complete access to the Financial Freedom Club. You'll get a dedicated Financial Freedom coach. You'll also get access to the live events. And the best part of this particular option is that you will be getting an opportunity to speak to CS Sudhir sir, the CEO of IndianMoney.com. He is also known as the personal finance guru in India, and he is very, very popular with his thought process and also with his approach to personal finance. So you'll be able to get access of all these things. Now, if at all you're choosing this particular plan, And if you click on choose plan, you'll be able to see that this particular option now comes up on the screen. So here your details are there, your name, etc., everything. And this particular thing is, suppose say rupees 4,999 is the price right now as we speak. But what if I tell you that actually we can reduce it further by putting up any of the coupon codes or any of the referral codes that you are aware about. For example, if at all you just put here my name, which is Fayaz, Fayaz, and you just apply the code, the 4,999 rupees course will now cost you almost 2,999 rupees. So you have straight away reduced almost 1 to 2,000 rupees worth of amount by just applying one name, which is Fayaz, Fayaz. And if at all you go further into this, suppose you are now willing to pay for the application. Now if you click on pay, you'll be able to see that you will be easily be able to pay via your mobile wallets. You'll be able to pay via your credit card, debit card, from net banking, and also through your UPI apps. So it's extremely simple, it's extremely time saving, and it's also very, very good in terms of value for investment and also value for money. So if at all you actually want to learn more about personal finance and all these things, often we end up going to different kind of people, and you often get cheated by people because we do not have the right kind of financial know-how, financial knowledge. But this particular application will solve all these problems for you, because we'll here try and help you understand about how can you become a better version of yourself, how can you become much more financial literate, and even if you have plans of starting up your own business. So unlike other applications which will probably teach you about any one particular kind of things, can be about only farming, can be about only career building, can be about only business, here we are putting it all together, where you can actually learn about personal finance, career building, farming, business, life skill, and we also have one particular section coming up very soon which is called as how to raise a superstar. So if at all you are a parent of a kid, and if you want to actually raise your kid in a much more better manner, we have a course on that also coming up very soon. So this is indeed going to be very, very value for money investment for you. Do not let go of this beautiful chance. At least take up the 99 rupees wala option. I'm pretty confident that you'll enjoy your experience in this particular course. You'll be able to get an access of 48 hours, which is 2 days. And if at all you like your experience in the first 2 days, you can then go forward and take up the other subscription options that are available in the mobile application. If at all you have any kind of queries and concerns or questions or topic suggestions, you can let us know in the comment section. And if at all you like this video, please do share this information with your friends and family, and let them also know that how they can also become richer and wiser by using Financial Freedom app. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.